I'm here outside the water jumps of the Osborne International Horse Trials. Piggy French thrashed it and brought it home. Thank God, because she's my favourite rider. This Gulf has been all over the estate, all 18,000 acres of it, and we've tested it out. Going on sale for $25,950 plus VAT, 52,000 miles, wildtrack 3.2 auto with a full Gulf kit. So you've got the orange F-150 grille with the blue writing, the black chin bar, unique blue and orange Gulf rack, which costs £3,000 to do. Privacy glass front and rear, orange roll bar, lifted, blue arches, 285 all-terrain wheels. So I'll take you around it. Absolutely beautiful, a true one-off. So I'll only do one build of this with a bonnet brow, wind deflectors, orange wing mirrors, absolutely stunning. We've also tinted the lights, also got a tow pack and black F-140 side steps, orange rear bumper, and the unique Seeker Gulf graphics down the middle like a Shelby. So you can have 20 grand on finance, which is about $399 a month. We can do instant part exchange, nationwide delivery. We are the best styling company in the UK on pickup trucks by a country mile. We're passionate about it. We do it all the time. We do Mercedes, we do Nissan, SsangYong, Ford, Isuzu, the full works. We do them all. You know, we style and we give you what you want. You know, we can do bespoke builds, we can do whatever you want. So come and see us. These cars aren't for show, they do actually work. We do a lot with the equestrian and country world. So this one will tow 3.5 ton. Come and see us, give us a call, tell us what you want and we'll build it for you. Thank you.